Makeup Hydro Grip Gel Tint. So the hair is done, the hair is laid, the hair is slayed. Anyways, bag was secured. I forgot.
I'll see you here.
Yeah. Yeah. Girl is dressed and ready to go, and my favorite hairstylist is back in my city. Okay, I wasn't getting my hair done because the lady that normally does my hair, she moved, but now she moved back. So now I can get my hair consistently done without feel like I'm wasting my money. Nikki always gets it right. Oh my god. So the scent of the day is TPH, a seductive fragrance mist, and this is in Indulge Me Vanilla Tuberose. Then I'm going in with Vanilla Woods by Seven Virtue. I'm gonna use some lip balm. Alright.
Increasing fears of a possible recession, which the president did not rule out in an interview Sunday.
So the hair is done, the hair is laid, the hair is slayed. One thing about Nikki, whatever I tell her I want, I get. I wanted 3 bundles of hair in my head. I got almost 3 because my hair small and my head not big, so she can't pack it up with hair. But she said if me want to come back for get some more, I can come back in a few weeks. Me said me want layers. She gave me my layers. I said I wanted curls for the girls. She gave me curls for the girls. So now she finished me here early. Okay. And now I'm going to go get my nails done. A quick little backstory. Before I got my hair done, I was about to be late, and I called her and told her that I'm gonna be late. I don't mind paying my late fee because I am a person that feels like service providers' time is valuable. So come and know me do late, me call her and tell her. So me about if you go get me toenail them done. Mwah. So I'm back in my natural habitat. I am a passenger princess. I got my toes done, and when I say I absolutely hate these toes, I hate them. My pedicure was nice and long. I can't even complain about the time that they took. They didn't rush my toes, but I hate how they did my French. I hate it. I hate it. It looks ugly. So they claim I should come back and they'll fix it. Let me show you guys. Hold on. That's how they look. I absolutely hate them, especially my big toe. Like, why is my big toe like that? Like, I have wide feet, I have wide toes, so I like when my toes, especially my French, is done a specific way. And the guy that normally does my toe is gone. I don't know why they turn up over there, so they steer, but he came to the post office. Yeah. Oh, and he paid to get my hair and nails done, so it was a maintenance day on his dime. Yeah, yeah. No.
No, tie on this side. Okay, Munchie.
I got the trick. You having fun?
You like it, mommy?
Papa, do you like it?
Hi, mommy.
Because there's big swings we can go on together. I'll take you on that one for the bigger swing, okay? Instead of the little swings, okay?
Nice.
Look at your sissy go.
Christ. Put this in there, so. Up. Oh. Oh my God.
Oh my skibbity wrestler. Yep. Oh my skibbity wrestler. Oh.
This should be interesting.
Nanny, don't pass out.
Don't pass out, mommy.
Come here. Please go. Please go on this. Go on this. Go on
You ready, Papa? Kai do not care.
I know, I think I'm freaking out.
Too late.
This is my second one.
Once you start puking.
I don't want to puke. Why would you tell me that?
You are the one that said you wanted a bunny.
Yeah, I'm the one that said me too. You don't want no bunny. I want.
They are fat.
You should look at the one inside. Yeah, I know.
So good morning, everyone. I bought some stuff from Sephora at the beginning of the savings and then the savings event, and then I realized that I'm a VIB and I didn't get my 15% off. So I just dropped Milani off at school and now I'm taking this mess back. I'm taking all of this stuff back because I need my 15% off. So we're driving in traffic. Beautiful morning in Florida. But yeah, I'm taking this stuff back and then I'm gonna go head to the gym. We're on a diet, so I'm trying to lose some weight for summer 2025. I'm trying to have a great time, but I really want a steak, egg, and cheese sandwich from McDonald's and a caramel cappuccino or frappuccino or whatever it's called. Ever since I started getting into the field, I feel like I turned into a caffeine or coffee crackhead, and I never used to drink coffee like that, but somehow I drink at least 1 cup of coffee a day now. So your girl is at Kohl's. I'm about to get my money back, or not even my money back really. I'm still gonna end up spending the same amount of money because I'm gonna use the savings, whatever I used to save, and just buy something else in Sephora. But the amount of savings that I could save is a lot, and I can use it to buy a concealer, a lipstick, a lip gloss, something in there, a foundation. Like, honey, I need my coins, okay? In this recession that we're having, I need all of my coins, okay? And I am saving every dollar. Ever make a maco? Yes, darling. I'm taking the shit back. Anyways, I'm gonna bring my phone in there because a lot of the times they don't want you bringing your big little camera. In there. So your girl is definitely going to bring her phone. With that being said, I'll see y'all later. Anyways, bag was secured. I got my savings. I actually saved $40, almost $50, and I went in there and spent that $50. So with that being said, let's head to the gym.
I just wanna rock. Body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya. Hit it once, no time. Set up, fuck, you won't kill my vibe. Stand on my money, don't do my side. Pick them sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 5. That's my high. my size. Pick them sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, go up to 5. That's my high.
Project X, X, X.
This ain't what you want. I just wanna rock. Body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya. Hit it once, no time. Sign up, fuck, you won't kill my vibe. Stand on my money, don't do my size. Pick them sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, go up to 5. That's my high.
So it's the next morning and I'm gonna clean up this bathroom. First thing I'm gonna do is clear out everything. So as you can see, it's a mess. All right. So this double-sided spinning tray is from Shein Home, and Shein Home have all your heart's desire. Whether you are a baddie on a budget in a new apartment or you're a homeowner trying to save some big girl coins, they have all your heart desire. And I love this toilet bowl cleaner because of the opening and closing feature. These are small things that I notice when I'm in my own house and when I'm in other people's houses, and this just does it for me. So this is my normal tray, and I'm gonna just transfer my stuff to this one right here. And this you can spin. And then your girl got a towel warmer. I think this is what I'm most excited about, really. Let me plug it in. So it has 15, 30, and 45, and 60, and it goes back to 15. So you can set how long you want your towels to warm. And this is how the lid looks. It has a bit of wood, and I feel like it's going to warm up my bathroom, especially now in the spring and summer, since I switch everything out to gray and white. And this is how inside look. I feel like this is gonna make my bathroom feel more luxurious, especially for me and my kids. And I love this for us. Let me turn it off. So as you guys can see, my white tray is broken. My kids broke it. So I got this new one from Shein Home. So all this stuff is from Shein Home. Shout out to Shein for sponsoring this portion of the video. I like that it's a wood color because it's gonna warm up my bathroom, especially how I'm switching everything out to gray. And this one is a lot more slimmer than my other one, which I like. It's not as big. For my kids' bath bomb, like a bigger tray. And as a Caribbean girl, you can't go without your Dettol. So, you know one of those big bowls, those big razors? I think that's what I'm gonna need to put Melani's bath bombs and stuff in it. So I finally get some battery in these lights, and the remote is super cool. You can do the candle filter, you can do the light, you can make it brighter, you can make it dim or flicker more like a candlelight. You can do 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours. You can put this on a timer, which I like, or you can turn it off. Let me take this thing out. Off or on, and I like that. I'm just gonna put it right here. I actually took one away. I'm going to show you guys what I picked up at Sephora. Alright, so the only perfume I got from this sale is the 7 Virtues Candied Lychee or Lychee. So I like this, and I got this. I like it. I got this because I want to test it out. I want to test the longevity. I have the Vanilla Woods, and it lasts like 2 hours. I like my perfume to last 3 to 4 hours. But I like 7 Virtues. I like the scents that they create. It's very clean, and I love this. I'm not a big fan of floral scents or candy sweetie scents. I'm a gourmand girl, but I actually like the candied lychee. That's the only perfume I got. And then I got the Touchland Power Mist, and this one is in the sandalwood version, or the sandalwood flavor. I leave these all over. So I have one in my car, I have one in my bag that I take when I have my kids, I have one for school, I have one for work, I have one for my lab bag. Like, I have one, I carry one of these everywhere. I'm always in an environment now where I am exposed to viruses and bacterias and dirt and grime, and I feel like this is just an extra protection mechanism for me. I can stick it anywhere in my pocket, stick it in my bag, and I'm good, and I can just rub my hands together and clean them off. So I like that. I got the Laneige, the mini kit, and it comes with 4, and these are just for me to stick in my bag. So 1 in my work bag, 1 in my school bag, 1 in my car, and also 1 for Milani, because I actually took the big Lineage one that I got, and I took it for myself. So I'm gonna give her the small one where she can carry in her purse and do what she wants with it. So let's get to makeup. I got the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Gel Tint, and I got it in shade 10. This is a little bit dark for me. I'm sure once I get a tan it's going to be perfect, but I wanted to test this out. As you guys know, I'm a skin tint girl. I love natural finish foundations, but I'm also thinking of getting the NARS Soft Matte foundation for summer. And I also saw, I think, Urban Decay body illuminizer that I want so bad. It looks so good. But yeah, then I got this Say bronzer, and this is in deep bronze. This is how it looks. And then the concealer, I got 2 concealers. So I got the House Labs concealer in light medium neutral in 24. I'm gonna swatch it so you guys can see. And this is how it looks. This is more like of a highlighting concealer. And then I got the NARS Mini, and this is medium dark 2 caramel. And this is how caramel looks. So this is NARS, and this is House Labs. I feel like the NARS is a little bit more creamier, and the House Lab dries a little bit more matte. And then I got blushes. So I got Huda Beauty blush. I got this big one, and this is in Peach Sorbet. And then they also had minis. And when I went back a second time for my points off, I got the minis, and this one is in Strawberry Cream, and then this one is Black Cherry. I actually wanted both of these, and I'm so glad that I picked these up in a mini, because I don't use blushes that much. So having a full-size blush is gonna last forever. I'm glad I picked these up. And then since it is swatchable, I'm gonna swatch. So this one is in Peach Sorbet, this one right here. Then the mini, this is in Strawberry. This one is in Strawberry Cream. I'm gonna swatch this on the next side. Oh, this is Pretty. This is what looks so good on a deeper, darker skin tone. This is Black Cherry. So this one right here. If you're a darker skin complexion, like, I feel like Black Cherry is gonna look super good on you. And I got some lip products from Huda. So I got this lipstick, and this is in the shade Raja. I will say I love the colors of Huda lipstick. I haven't worn lipstick in so long, but when I saw the Huda ones, they look really good, and they look like they were going to look amazing on my skin tone. So yeah. And then I got Huda Beauty, and this is in Foxy. Let me swatch Foxy down here. And this is Foxy right here. So yeah, that's what I got from the Sephora savings event. I really want to get perfume, but my bank account said I need to chill. So I want to get Flower Bomb, the new one, and I want to get Donna Born in Roma, the new one too. Those are the two no, I have three. So I want to get Flower Bomb, the new one. I want to get the new Donna Born in Roma. I feel like that is going to be a perfect scent for spring and summer, the Donna Born in Roma. And then I want to get the Nette Pear perfume. So Anika sent me some travel size, some tester, and that one is my absolute fave. So I want to get the full bottle of that because I've been living in the tester.